One. Just want to say, if you want to do any questions on a Rosie over there. Yeah, Rosie. Just comment down below, and without further ado, let's jump in. What do you think? You going climbing through the station? Could hurt me or something. Mac is around somewhere. Stupid. A little tank engine. I'm not stupid. Yes, you are. And plus, you keep crashing and having to have maintenance. Shut your freaking tender. No. What if I don't wanna? I will do it for you. Yeah, right. You're just a small tank engine. If I had arms, I would rip off your face and shove it back into your smoke box door. That's a bit dark. Rosie, calm down. Why did I calm down when you're picking up? Nah. Well, these. I don't snore. Oh, come on. That was hilarious. I don't snore. Yes, you do. Oh, yeah? Prove it. I am actually going to run you off the rails. I'll let you see you try. I hope you die in the scrapyard. That's a bit dark. I don't care. Plus, have you heard about Diesel thing? What Diesel thing? That's right. Well, supposedly these new engines are going to help us. Your mother replace us. Don't say that. Well, you can say that. Wait, you say we're all going to die? Yep. Please die. Why can't I move? You can't move. Oh, shut up. No. Do you need me to help you? I can give you a bump. You want me to? Ready? Wait. Please stop. Martin, please. I beg you. Don't do it. Don't. Ah. 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 Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! My cab! Oh. Oh. Get me out, get me out, get me out! Engines! If you're wondering where Rosie is, she's being repaired after a little someone did something to her. Yes, Mac. Will she be scrapped? Maybe. And that's all the news for today, people. I mean, engines, and please don't have any bad dreams about what's going to happen to Rosie. And with that, have a great night. If my sister is scrapped because of you, that will be one reputation for you. She was the only one that cared about me.